Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's flood bulletin. The accumulated rainfall over the past 6 days, as recorded by the IMD network, is displayed on the screen. The latest rainfall data received through the CWC and IMD observation network indicates significant rainfall activity over the following regions: Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Sikkim and adjoining Bihar, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Assam, and Tripura. The highest rainfall of 130 mm has been recorded at Leash River Tea Garden in Jalpaiguri district of West Bengal. As per the current flood status, none of the rivers is flowing in severe or extreme flood situation all across the country as per the CWC monitoring network. Now, let's discuss today's CWC advisory. In state Kerala, considering the rainfall received during the last 24 hours and the IMD warning of very heavy rainfall over the central parts of Kerala, there is a likelihood of a rise in water levels in the Kabini, Bharatpuzha, Bhavani, Periyar, Gayatri, Karuvannur, Manimala, Minachil, Chalakudi, Pamba, and Ashnakoval rivers in the districts of Wayanad, Palakkad, Thrissur, Ernakulam, Kottayam, Alappuzha, Idukki, and Pathanamthitta during the 10th to 12th June. Some stretches of these rivers may experience flood conditions ranging from above normal to significant levels during this period. People residing along the river banks and are advised to maintain close vigilance and take necessary precautions. In state Karnataka, the IMD has forecast very heavy rainfall over Uttar Kannad, Udupi, Dakshin Kannad, and Kodagu districts during the next 2 days. Accordingly, water levels are expected to rise in the Agnashini, Swarna, Netravati, Gurupur, Shambhavi, Sita, Kumardhara, Shravati, Kumadvati, Varda, Harangi, and Lakshman Tirtha rivers, as well as other west flowing minor rivers during the 10th to 11th June. People living in these areas are advised to remain alert. In state West Bengal, in view of the heavy rainfall received during the past few days and the forecast of very heavy rainfall over sub-Himalayan West Bengal in the coming days, there is a possibility of water level rise and flood conditions ranging from above normal to severe in the Teesta, Torsa, Raidak, Sankosh, and their tributaries in Alipurduar, Cooch Behar, and Jalpaiguri districts during the 10th to 12th June. Residents of these districts are requested to closely monitor the river situation and follow advisories issued by the local administration. In state Assam, the IMD has forecast very heavy rainfall over Kokrajhar, Chirang, Baksa, Boingaon, Barpeta, and Nilbari districts during the next 2 to 3 days. Accordingly, water levels are likely to rise in Sankosh, Ai, Gorang, Manas, Beki, Champamati, Pagladia, and Puthimari rivers, as well as in the main Brahmaputra river during the 10th to 12th June. In addition, due to very heavy rainfall expected over the upper Brahmaputra catchment in Arunachal Pradesh, the water levels of the main Brahmaputra river is also likely to rise during 10th to 12th June. Its impact may be observed in Sivsagar, Dibrugarh, Sonitpur, Vishwanathpur, Golaghat, Nagaon, Lakhimpur, and adjoining areas. The concerned district administrations and local residents are advised to remain vigilant. With this, today's flood bulletin comes to an end. For the latest updates on river water levels and flood forecasts, viewers are requested to visit the website displayed on the screen. Stay informed, stay safe, and we will meet you again in the next bulletin. Thank you.